Welcome to the Cityview building. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here to see apartment PHH. It's a studio located on the top floor of our building. Let's go on inside. On your right when you enter is your kitchen, with your microwave, your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, and refrigerator. You'll notice this studio has a unique structural element, which gives you a little nook. On inside the main living area, you'll notice 5 pieces of furniture, a dresser, a full-size bed, bookshelf, a desk and a desk chair, along with plenty of closet space. One unique feature of this building is the high ceilings, the tall windows, which let in lots of natural light from this north-facing apartment. You'll notice every room also has air conditioning and a heating element. Another unique feature of our buildings is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. On into the bathroom, nice large spacious bathroom, the shower and tub combo, and vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You'll be responsible for the electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to a tour of PHH. Call us today for availability.